Check out these date balls covered with chocolate. I'm gonna take a bite. Very nice. The nuts in it gives it crunch. If you want the recipe, let's go and do it. The ingredients, and you will find it also at the description box. First step, I crush the biscuit and the nuts. Here I'm adding some fresh nutmeg. We put all the ingredients in one bowl: the nutmeg, cinnamon, crushed biscuit, crushed nuts with the dates, to start mixing them and shaping it. Once I finish mixing the dates with the crushed nuts and crushed biscuit, I start shaping it into balls. Now, after I finished rolling all the balls of dates that are ready, I'm gonna start melting the chocolate. I have here on pot has water, so I'm gonna melt it on top of it. I have semi-sweet and milk chocolate chip. Okay, I'm gonna keep them in low heat, whisk them until they melt. Then I'm gonna dip the balls in it, and I have here some of the crushed nuts for topping, and here is some of the coconut also for topping. Okay, the chocolate melted, and I already made 2 of them just to see how it's going. And now here it is, dipping it. And really, you can use any kind of chocolate, milk chocolate, only semi-sweet, dark chocolate, whatever you like. What is your preference? It doesn't matter. Let me show you. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a like on it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.